Hey guys, today I just want to show you how to replace this ADF pickup roller on HP Laserjet Pro M426, M427, M428, and M429 series printers. So whenever you're trying to replace this part, I already took it off the printer, so it would be like this on a printer. You would open it, and what you'll be doing is kind of like from this, pulling this square right here up. So let's just show it as we have it off right now. So you may need a flathead screwdriver and maybe something else just to help you, but you should be good just with the flathead screwdriver, maybe a couple of those. So first thing you're going to do is just pop this gear rod right here, pull it up, and then pull it out. Okay, so we have that out. And now this assembly here with the gears is in like a square piece here that you'll see when we pull it out. First thing you need to do is just slightly pull this area up. So one corner, doesn't matter which, just pull it up and then slide it over a little bit. And then we're going to do the same thing to this side. So pull it up and just push to the left. There we go. Pops right out. So this is our ADF assembly right here. So whenever you're putting a new one in, if you needed to fix it or whatever you were doing to pull it out, you can see it needs to slide into these areas right here, and the back area is going to be in there. So you're just going to put it like this here, and then just slide it in, and it should just snap in there. There we go. So it's all in place. Then with this rod, just put it in there, and when you have it here, just push it in and you're all set. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this was helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.